Hi everyone, it's Lauren again. So today I just wanted to share again my story and how it all started for me many years ago, back in probably around 2006, 2007, when I met a guy and became a bit crazy about him and thought he was the right one, or thought he was the one. But he wasn't very interested. But it didn't stop me, and I tried everything I could to get him to want to spend more time with me, to commit to me, to make me feel special, to go out, often together. But he was never really into a lot of that. It was like just enough just to keep dragging me along, the random text messages, giving me that instant gratification of, oh, I'm thinking about you, just enough to keep me hanging on. And that went on and off for about 2 years. It got really bad at one point where he did even tell me that I will never love you. So that's when I tried to kill myself as well, to see if I thought, oh, maybe he'll care if I'm dead. I was just trying everything to get his attention and to get him to care. So that was the beginning of my journey, and that was how it all started. It finally took me 2 years to finally let him go. But after letting him go, I thought, well, if he's not the one or the right partner for me, then who is? And then I got on to true love and soulmates, and, I was like, oh, do they exist? Do we all have one? Is there the right partner out there for everyone, or an ideal partner, life partner, love of your life, whatever you'd like to call it. So that started my mission and my journey. I dove into research, books. A friend originally sent me the CD, The Secret, which introduced me to the law of attraction. So then I went down that path. I was like, oh, maybe I can attract my partner. But it took me at least about 4 years of learning, trial and error, realizations, hurt, a lot of pain, a lot of tears, to finally have Michael come into my life, who was completely different and just swept me off my feet. And it wasn't until after we'd met and we'd committed to being boyfriend and girlfriend, and we had this amazing, easy relationship where we just adored each other. And I thought, wow, how did I do that? How did I finally get this amazing guy in my life? So I looked back over everything I learned, everything I studied, my realizations, things that I did, little aha moments. How did I break my pattern? Everything. And that's how I created my 5-step system that I now teach and share with other singles who feel like they're in the same position I was all those years ago, where, you just couldn't attract the right partner, and you really long for that soulmate, true love partner who's just there by your side always, no matter what, support you through ups and downs, and they're your best friend as well. So that's why I created this, and this is what I'm now, going to share in my 5-day Real True Love Readiness workshop that I'm doing on Friday. And I would love for you to join me. I've made it affordable for everyone. It's only $27, and I'll put the link below in the chat box, in the comment section, or in the link below. And you're welcome to ask me any questions, or I'd love for you to join so I can show you the shortcut too. So you don't have to go through the years, the trial and error, the pain, the heartbreak. You don't have to go through all that. I've already done that for you. And I've created a short path for you. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.